Okay, we'll start new chapter in 1B, sir, pair of straight lines. Okay, once we complete this part, the algebraic part will be, that is coordinate geometry part. We say coordinate geometry part will be over. Then the next one will be calculus part. Okay, pair of straight lines is also very, very important chapter, and final examination there will be lot of weightage will be there. Okay, now what is a pair of straight lines? Okay, there are two lines which are passing from origin. This is origin. Okay, L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. Two lines passing from origin. If you combine them, L1 into L2 is equal to 0 is a pair of lines. Okay, means if you combine both the line equations, for example, if I say 4x plus 3y is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. There are two lines. So if I multiply these two, I get a one line equation, means complete equation. If I multiply, you get x square, y square and xy terms will come. So that equation is called pair of straight lines. Okay, what is the importance of this problem? Formula, it is passes from origin. That's why there is no constants. So what we say, general form, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. What is that we call? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is a pair of lines passing from origin. Passing from origin. Okay. And once we say pair of lines, angle will be there. Angle between them is a plus b modulus by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. What is the formula? Cos theta is equal to a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So once we say, so pair of straight lines is given by this formula. Okay. So what is the importance of this formula? It passes from origin and angle between the lines is given by cos theta is equal to a plus b by a minus b. And point of intersection of these lines is 0, 0. What is the point of intersection of these lines? Is 0, 0. Okay. So we should know this. Okay, note down this. Find the angle between pair of lines given by x square minus 7xy plus 7y square is equal to 0. 12y square is equal to 0. Okay, now compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So what is the a value? 1. What is the b value? 12. And what is the 2h value? Minus 7. So h is equal to minus 7 by 2. You got a value, b value and h value. What is the cos theta formula? A plus b modulus by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. A plus b means 1 plus 12 modulus by root of 1 minus 12 whole square plus 4 into h is minus 7 by 2 whole square. Formula application is very, very important. So this becomes 13 by 11. 1 minus 11 is 12 is minus 11. So 121 plus 4 into 49 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. 13 by root of 170. So what is the cos theta? 13 by root 170. So formula application again, find the angle between lines y square minus xy minus 6x square. So compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 6, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1. Here, 2h is equal to. Observe here, what we are doing, we are to compare with x square coefficient is A, sir. Ikkada unna sir x square, so that's why minus 6 will come. B square means y square coefficient, here 1, and 2hx means xy coefficient. So A is equal to, h is equal to what, sir? Minus 1 by 2. What is the cos theta formula? A plus B modulus by root of A minus B whole square plus 4h square. A plus B minus 6 plus 1 modulus by root of A minus B whole square. So minus 6 minus 1 whole square plus 4h square. 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole square. So cos theta is equal to minus 5 modulus by root of minus 7 whole square is 49. 4 into 1 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. 5 by 49 plus 1, 50. So this can be written 25 into 2 under root. So what will happen? Cos theta is equal to 5 by 5 root 2, which is 1 by root 2. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. Wherever possible, you have to find that angle, sir. Okay, note down this. Next, find centroid and area of the triangle formed by pair of lines 12x square minus 20xy plus 7y square is equal to 0, and the straight line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Alright, 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to, what do you mean by this, sir? You get like this. This is a pair of lines and this is a straight line. So this is origin. One point is 0 comma 0. You have to find A point and you have to find B point. Okay, this is a line given. This is origin, we know always. Now plus y square is equal to 0, and line equation 0. So what is the 2x is equal to what, sir? 3y minus 4. X is equal to 3y minus 4 by 2. What is x value? 3y minus 4 by 2. Put in 1. I call it this equation number 1. So what will happen? 12 into x square. X square means whole square minus 20 into x is what, sir? 3y minus 2 into y is what, sir? Here y plus 7y square. So I have replaced x with this value, sir. Key value to replace this, sir. So 12 into x square means 3y. So this becomes 12 into 3y minus 4 by 4 minus 20 will get cancelled, 10 into 3y minus 4 into y plus 7y square is equal to 0. Okay, now here cancel with the 3 table. 4 3s are 3 into 9y square plus 16 minus 24y minus 10y into 3y minus 4 plus 7y square is equal to 0. Open the bracket. 25y square, 27y square plus 48 minus 72y minus 30y square plus 40y plus 7y square. So 34, how much we get? So 27 plus 7, 34. 34 minus 30, 4y square plus this will be minus 32y. 48 plus 48 is equal to 0. Cancel with the 4 table. Y square minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. 6 2s are 12. So this becomes y minus 6 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the y value? 6, y value 2. So what I have done? I have simplified this. We got y value 6, y value 2. Therefore, for A, y is equal to 6. What is x value? We know x is equal to 3y minus 4. 3y means 18 minus 4 by 2. So how much will get? X is equal to 7. So what is A point? 7 comma 6. For B point, y is equal to 2. So x is equal to what, sir? 2 means what? 6 minus 4, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Therefore, B point is 1 comma 2. A point you got, B point you got. Therefore, O is 0 comma 0, A is 7 comma 6, B is 1 comma 2. Now what is the centroid? Is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So it is because 0 plus 7 plus 1 by 3, 0 plus 6 plus 2 by 3. How much we get? 8 by 3 comma 8 by 3. Right? 8 by 3 comma 8 by 3. Now we have to find area of the triangle. O 0 comma 0 A. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So 1 by 2. x1 is 0. y2 is what, sir? 6 minus 2. Plus x2 is what, sir? 7. y3 minus y1. So 0 or 2 minus 0. Plus x3 is what, sir? 1. y1 minus y2. 0 minus 6 modulus. So 1 by 2. This is 0. 14 minus 6. So how much it becomes? 8. So which is 4 units. So here important thing is we have to solve the equations, these two equations. Okay, please note down. We'll do one more problem. Find the centroid and the area of the triangle given by the pair of lines. Is equal to 0. X plus y plus 0. I told you again. A point, B point, 0 comma 0 O. Now line, what is our given? 0 and line equation. X plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus y minus 4. Therefore, put in 1. I called it this 1. So 2y square minus x value into y minus 6 into minus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 0. 2y square minus of minus plus y square plus 4y. Right? Minus of minus is plus, minus of minus is plus. So minus 6 into, both minus you remove, it becomes y plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. 6 into 0 minus 6y square minus 96 minus 48y is equal to 0. 3y square minus 6y square minus 3y square minus 44y minus 96 is equal to 0. Remove the minus sign. Plus 96 is equal to 0. So 2y square plus y square xy. X is minus y. So this becomes plus y square plus 4y. This is y plus 4 whole square, y square plus 16y plus 8y. Open the bracket, minus 6y square minus 48. 2y square minus 6y square plus y square. That is minus 3y square minus 44y minus 96. Remove the minus sign. So 96 into 3. 18, 278. So we can write this as, so this will be 24 into 12. Again, okay, we use the minus b plus or minus. We use the minus b plus or minus. So what will happen? By 2a. So minus b means minus 44 plus or minus b square. 44 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 96 by 2 into 3. So minus 44 plus or minus 44 into 44, 16, 17, 16, 17, 6, 3, 19, 36 minus 12 into 96, 12, 7, 25152 by 2 into 3 6 root of 1, that is 4, 8, 18 means 7 by 6. So minus 44 plus or minus, this is 28 by 6. So minus 44 plus 78, 28, or minus 44 minus 28 by 6. So this becomes minus 16 by 6 or minus 72 by 6. Here minus 44 plus 28 is minus 16 by 6 or minus 72 by 6. So this becomes minus 8 by 3 or minus 12. So we got which values we got? Y values. Okay, what is the y values? Minus 8 by 3 and minus 12. Copy up here. For A, y is equal to what, sir? Minus 8 by 3. And what is x value? Minus y minus 4. Okay, minus y minus 4. So this becomes x is equal to 8 by 3 minus 4, means minus 4 by 3. Because minus of minus become plus 8 by 3 minus 4, which is 4 by 3. Okay, therefore A point is minus 4 by 3 minus 8 by 3. For B, what is the y value? Minus 12. X is equal to minus y minus 4, that is 12 minus 4. So x is equal to 8. Therefore B point is 8 comma minus 12. So now I am leaving to you. Area of the triangle, use the formula 0 comma 0. A point is minus 4 by 3 minus 8 by 3. B point is 8 comma minus 12. And centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, use the area of the triangle formula which we have done and centroid formula. Okay, I am leaving it to you for practice. Okay, and I will give you one problem for doing the class, sir. Zero 2x. Okay, 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 6. Try this problem. Okay, with this we have completed centroid and area of the triangle, angle between the lines. Okay, most important, tomorrow next video is very important, sir. Most important. Okay, we'll discuss that.